Hello, this is a demonstration of the level I created using Unity 5.60 F3. My name is Jason Rose, and I've created a, a sort of open world forest landscape type level with a skybox. Um, you can see animations on the grass. The frame rate is a bit low because there is quite an extensive forest here, and I will show you that. Um, I will show you that momentarily, but I've also implemented a character controller so we can, walk around the forest a little bit. A little first-person character controller. You can roam throughout the grassy hills of the forest, eventually hitting a barrier, which is this. I just did that so I wouldn't fall off. It doesn't look very pretty. But anyway, in terms of the actual level's design, there is a clear, forest for exploration, but not necessarily indicating the player should go that way. The trail here is what indicates the player, and they start um, over here in this dead end facing this way, and immediately are prompted in the distance by a horse. So the player would run. I know the frame rate's a bit low, I'm sorry, but the player, see if I can straighten it out. I'll just walk for now. So the player would walk this way and stumble upon a horse at a watering hole. And the water actually displays reflections. You can see the horse in the water. Well, not from this angle, but if you get the right angle, you can see it. I gotta work on that, but anyway, the water looks pretty good for now. The horse has an idle animation where it just stands there, and the water actually goes through to a trail down that way, which leads into what would be an ocean and a different scene. So actually, if we go this way, if we go past the horse, I'm going to include some interaction with the horse at some point for either riding or interacting with in some way. But if we go this way, we can notice a different set of trees indicating a different area, sort of a mountainous range, where I'm going to plan on actually implementing enemies into this level. I'm going to have to use this um, mountainous range for an indication of tougher enemies, maybe like mountain lions or something tough, maybe a way to get up that mountain. And yeah, this is going to be, I'm going to use this in the future. This is going to be an open world experience. And oh, I mentioned the character control can obviously run, walk, and jump. I did that so they can get over very small ledges, and they wouldn't necessarily get stuck too easily while exploring. So the trees look really nice. This was an asset I pulled from the Unity store. You can also hear birds chirping in the background. That's an audio clip I pulled offline. I have to fix this, but to do it everywhere is just a little bit bothersome. The trees kind of, don't connect to the ground fully. That's just a blending issue, but I don't want to do that with every single tree. If I find one like that one, I'll fix it, which I'm going to. But yeah, so WASD controls on the player, and yeah, somewhere in this level, I'm going to have a tiger randomly spawn that if you come within a certain distance, it will chase you and kill you. Until you're ready to fight the tiger, you should not engage it. That's kind of irrelevant for this project, but I'm just sort of floating because this took me a very, very long time. I had to learn how to do this, and then through trial and error, I was able to achieve what you see here. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'll just run through this another 30 seconds so you can just see the rest of it, and then I'll cancel the play, and I'll give you a wider view of everything. In hindsight, a path up these mountains would have probably been better, but that's something for When I have, you know, something up there, I will create a path up to it. Right now there's nothing that exists. This is just the layout drawing for the forest. I bet if I delete some trees, the frame rate will go down. My computer is in no way not able to handle this. So like right here, there's a big unnecessary cluster of trees because they mass place them when you use the tool, the specific tool. So yeah, I mean, I could do tweaks here and there to increase the frame rate when playing. Like there's no need for that many trees over there. Um, I'm just sort of noticing everything I could do better or different now. Um, but yeah, this is my level. I hope you like it. Now I'm gonna zoom out and I'm gonna show you the overall um, level itself. So this is the game view, but over here we have the scene view, um, and this is what I have just navigated. This is where the player starts, and this is where the horse is. This is where the stream connects to over here, and this mountain. I'm going to put a village at the top of either a village or some sort of hut with a sage at the top or something like that. And then the tiger is going to be sort of around this area in a more difficult zone. The horse at one point, I feel like I want to include the option to ride, but I have to figure out the animations for that. Yeah, thanks for watching. This is my level. Bye.